Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. The most common question I get is, I really don't want the scar. But when you're dealing with 4C hair texture and you've got curly hair, the curliness above the skin is the same thing below the skin. So when you try to use that burr hole needle to get that follicular bulb, which is down here, with an FUE procedure, you're going to leave that hair follicle right behind, and you're not going to get the results that I get. What does the scar look like? Here's my scar. You want a fine pencil line scar. That is the fine pencil line scar you're going to get here by me, Dr. Siegel at Natural Transplants. Call me here at Natural Transplants. I will get you your edges, and I will get you a scar that is a fine pencil line scar. Free consultations, here I am, Dr. Siegel at Natural Transplants.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.